Welcome back to the Car Collective. Today we're diving deep into the rebirth of a legend, the 2026 Mazda RX-8. After years of speculation, whispers, and concept teases, Mazda has finally brought back the RX badge. And let me tell you, it was worth the wait. Cut to a rolling shot of the RX-8 driving along a twisty mountain road. The original RX-8, launched in the early 2000s, had a cult following. It was lightweight, agile, and came with the heart of a rotary engine. But it wasn't perfect. Fuel economy, emissions, and reliability haunted its legacy. Fast forward to 2026, and Mazda seems to have listened closely to its fans while also embracing the future. Close-up of the engine bay, with soft background music. Under the hood is what makes this RX-8 so unique. A newly re-engineered rotary engine dubbed the 16X EV. It's still a Wankel at heart, but this time it's acting as a range extender for a dual-motor electric system. Yes, it's a plug-in hybrid. Mazda's managed to combine the iconic rotary sound and smooth power delivery with the instant torque and efficiency of electric motors. The result? 0-60 in under 4.5 seconds, with a combined output of 370 horsepower. Interior shot, panning across the dash, steering wheel, and digital display. Inside, the 2026 RX-8 is minimalist yet purposeful. Gone are the cramped back seats and dated materials. In their place, a 2+2 layout that's actually usable. A digital cockpit that wraps around the driver, and seats that strike a perfect balance between comfort and support. Mazda's taken cues from their Vision Coupe concept, and the result is a cabin that feels modern, refined, and performance-focused. Footage of the car taking a corner on a closed track, tires gripping hard. Handling? Sharp, responsive, balanced. This car hugs corners like it's reading your mind, with near 50-50 weight distribution and a lower center of gravity thanks to the battery placement. It dances through the bends. And yes, you still get that unique rotary whine when the range extender kicks in. Pure nostalgia blended with future tech. Cut to night driving shots, tail lights glowing, city skyline in the background. Mazda isn't calling this a full-blown sports car revival. It's more of a refined evolution, but what they've done here is bold. They've reimagined the RX-8 for a new era, without abandoning the soul that made it special. End shot, car parked under streetlights. The Car Collective logo fades in. If this is the future of enthusiast cars, sign us up. This is the Car Collective, and this was your first look at the 2026 Mazda RX-8. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you daily drive a rotary hybrid?